Welcome to a Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unblur any website text hidden behind some paywalls. So normally the most easiest way to do it is simply an example here. I'm going through some articles and clicking on an article and I keep getting those annoying paywalls. As you can see, this paywall specifically doesn't unblur what's behind it, so I can still see it, but it's blocking it. And of course I can go and click on X, but it sometimes will keep popping off, and no matter on where website you are. It's very simple on how to remove it. So all you need to do, just go and click on F12 on your keyboard. And once you do so, you should find yourself with this element site. So in here, you'll have to click on this exact icon, as you can see. So select an element, just go and click on it. And then you'll have to go and try to keep going through your mouse until you see something covers the whole screen. So this is called the paywall. So just go on one or click it once, then click on delete key on your keyboard. As you can see, this deleted the first one. I do still have here another paywall, it's making the screen gray. There are other paywalls that keeps or giving an example, you some blurry text or blurring the whole image. So all you need to do, just click on the same icon, just hover it again. You'll see, as example, something hiding the whole screen. Click on it once and click on delete key. And as you can see, now I can just go and close this F12 and access the article or page or whatever was blurred example completely fine. Of course, if you refresh the page, this will come back to you, so you'll have to do the same way over and over. You can also, example, if you can copy it, the text, you can copy it and try to paste it somewhere. This will work. Also, you can copy it and try to extract the text on Google. You can just type it, an example, on Google once you copy it and extract it, and read it on another website that doesn't blur these stuff out. So yeah, those are the two methods that can help you. So thank you for watching and goodbye.